I think I can pretty safely say that installing these third-party applications in order to control the RGB on your gaming PC is somewhat annoying for one reason, and that one reason is because they all work differently. Asus, the Armory Crate and the Aora Center that they have, that's pretty much the only application that I have ever used for a gaming PC that actually controls the RGB and functions properly. However, this article right here, I want to share this with you because I find it very, very interesting. Windows 11 is soon going to allow you to control your RGB lighting for PC gaming accessories, and I'm guessing that this is also for your RAM, your graphics card, the motherboard, if your motherboard has RGB, your gaming mouse, definitely said that incorrectly, your gaming mouse, and also your gaming keyboard. So let's go ahead and read this article. So I do want to say something really, really cool. All right. So these, the Windows, big brain fart. We're going to read the article because I already forgot about it. I really feel bad. Power Toys. That's what it's called. Power Toys, right? It's like a Microsoft where like all these like little additions to Power Toys are actually coming to Windows, which is really, really cool. So like, how like when you take a window and you put it to the top and it gives you like all these little options where you want to put the window on your ultra wide 32:9 monitor or something. If you actually have a 32:9 monitor, that's a Windows Power Toys feature. All right, so Microsoft is working to bring its native support for RGB PC gaming accessories to Windows 11. The Windows lighting experience is going to include the ability for PC gamers to configure accessories with RGB lighting without having to install third-party software. Twitter user Albacore has spotted early work for the integrating this new lighting experience into Windows 11 in the latest public test build of the operating system. Options for controlling brightness, lighting, effects, speed, and colors can all be found in the setting interface of Windows 11. There's even a feature that's going to match your accessories to the Windows accent color, which I do actually think would be pretty cool, pretty interesting. Very excited for this, if it is not obvious. So Microsoft's own native lighting control is going to mean that Windows 11 users will be able to have and install apps from Razer, Corsair, Logitech, and others to get basic support for customizing RGB effects. Microsoft hasn't officially announced its lighting support for Windows 11 just yet, but the company is working on a number of experimental features that are expected to appear in a larger update to Windows 11 later on this year. So I do want to say something before we end this. Building PCs. I do want to start building PCs for you watching this video, but this is a comment that I've seen a lot over the past, ever since I started building these computers. I want to set up a Shopify store. And the reason that I don't want to set up an eBay store or sell them on Amazon or anything is because eBay and Amazon take huge fees. I'm pretty sure Amazon is like 15-20%, and then eBay is 13%. So these percentage that eBay and Amazon are taking, you got to factor in that I'm going to have to sell the computer at that much of a markup. I charge $100 for my time building these man, I can't speak today. $100 for building these PCs. And the reason that I only charge $100 to build these computers is because I have YouTube as another income source, and I also have Amazon affiliate as another income source. Oh my God, what is happening right now? What do you mean that you keep shutting off? Really? Well, I'm going to keep that one in the video. That's happened like 4 times throughout this video, and I don't really feel like editing it out again. So forgot to say to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment.
I hate saying it just as much as you probably hate me saying it, but if I do not say it, like 1% of you will actually do it.
Like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff.